Hello, welcome. Question number 28, BEC 2025, Section A. A box which contains 10 green and 8 white balls, of which are of the same size. If a ball is selected at random from the box, what is the probability that it is what? Green. First thing to remember is that finding probability of any event is equals to the number of what? Event over total number, if I can put that way, or total sample space. So here, first thing to do is that the event is what the question is all about. The question is about selection of what? A green. That is the event. So probability of green will be equals to the number of green balls divided by total number of balls. So if we are going to have number of red, do we have red or white? So number of green is given in the question as what? 10. Number of white is given as 8. Then total number, which we can call the sample space, will be equals to 10 plus what? 8, which will give you 18. But we are looking for number of what? Green, which is going to be 10. Then total number 18. That will give you the probability. So here, probability of green, right? So I'm going to have probability of G, or let me just say green, is going to be number of green divided by what? The sample space. The number of green is 10. The total sample space, 18. Common factor of 2 go here, 5, 2 goes here, 9. So 5 on 9 should be the probability of selecting what? Green. And that will give you the C option as the best choice. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.